guys, my name is Georgia, the Lazzy Student. Today's video is all about using a slow cooker, why it is great, and also giving you a recipe idea for this week, something you can try with a slow cooker if you have one or if you decide to get one. So if you're interested, please just keep on watching. So I've just bought a new slow cooker. This one is a Russell Hobbs slow cooker. It's apparently really good. I'll leave a link down below, so all the ones that I recommend, all the ones I have, and a link to this one. Now I think slow cookers are really great because if you go to class or if you go to work in the morning, say you have a 9 AM lecture or something like that, you can literally just take your food. In this case I'm using chicken. You can just take it, pop it into your slow cooker, leave it for 4 to 6 hours on high or around 8 to 12 hours on low, and your food will basically be ready when you get back. Honestly, I think it's a total lifesaver. It was amazing throughout university for me, and it creates some really good meals that in my opinion taste a bit better than if you just fry them or put them in the oven. So to me it's definitely worth a try. Today I'm going to be showing you one recipe because we're eating it for dinner today. That's going to be a chicken recipe with barbecue sauce, so if that's something you're interested in, stick around and I'm about to show you the ingredients and the recipe. So ingredients wise, we're literally just on 3 ingredients today. I've got some chicken. I got my ingredients from Asda, but it's up to you where you get it. I also get chicken from Lidl, Aldi. I recommend all these places, but yeah, just some chicken breast. I also absolutely love this sauce from Asda. It's called the Memphis style barbecue cooking sauce. They say that it can be used for things like sausages, so if you're into that, you could also put sausages in your slow cooker, but to me, I really like this with chicken. It's honestly really good. And the last ingredient that I'm using is Uncle Ben's rice. Now this one is limited edition. This one is the smoky barbecue one. I'm so sorry about my nails, by the way. I painted them and as you can see, they're a train wreck, but let's not. This is the Uncle Ben's microwaver in a pan rice. I like to microwave it. I've tried putting it in a pan so many times. You're supposed to put like 2 tablespoons of water with it, but I always find that it burns. I just can't cook it right, so I always just fling it in the microwave. A top tip I saw on Twitter a few years ago is that these don't actually fit in your microwave. So if you go to the bottom, you can just tear the bottom parts, and then these now fold up and it sits in your microwave, which is just delightful. So that is a tip, but those are the ingredients. Totally optional. You can switch and change out chicken for another meat in a slow cooker. You could switch and change out rice for chips or something like that. I'm just going to pop the chicken in, literally leave it, get off camera for a few hours, come back, show you me putting the sauce on and then doing the rice and then serving it up, and it's a lovely meal. I'll scoot you guys closer on camera and I will show you the recipe now. I'm going to switch it on to high, and then I'm going to open the chicken. So what to do is if you add a little bit of water into this jar and you take it and you give it a shake, you can then put it in, and that just means that you've gotten it out your jar. Give that a clean, make sure you recycle it if you can glass recycle. Give that another stir. Pop your lid back on. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe and leave a comment down below letting me know if you are going to try this recipe in your slow cooker, if you already have a slow cooker, and what you think of the video. So thank you so much for watching. Goodbye guys.